Welcome to Starland. What is Starland? Starland is a campground and retreat center located in the Mojave Desert near Joshua Tree National Park in Southern California. We offer tent camping, RV sites, cozy private cabins, and even rooms in our large communal house. Come enjoy our hot tub, swimming pool, and our beautiful serene and remote desert property. Local attractions in the area include Joshua Tree National Park, the Integratron Sound Bath, Pioneer Town, and an orchid farm. Or you can enjoy easy hikes on trails with 360-degree views of the high desert directly from our campgrounds. We also have a spacious kitchen with several refrigerators, microwaves, and other appliances, professional stainless steel chef's preparation table, and full dining facilities. What sets us apart from other camping and RV treats is that we openly welcome members of our LGBT+ community, and we are also a clothing-optional campground. Starland is a perfect place to relax and, most importantly, to be yourself. We have grown and developed into a fabulous working gathering space for up to 50 participants, and we'd love to host your group or event. We have very affordable rental prices, and we even have a 1,000 square foot meeting hall that can be converted into a yoga studio, massage exchange lounge, dance hall or disco, and even communal drumming or other musical shows on our stage. Please contact us directly at starlandretreat@gmail.com or visit our website to see even more of what we have to offer. Welcome to Starland.